Hello everybody! The craft this week is to make your very own pop-up book. From the library, you can go and pick up a pop-up book that just has the pop-ups missing. You'll notice that each page has one of these or two of these things that stick up here so that you can put your pictures on it. From home, you're going to need some markers, a glue stick, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. You're also going to need a separate piece of paper to draw your pop-up pictures. To start, I'm going to come up with a topic. There's 4 pages, so I need something that has 4 in it. It could be 4 of your favorite food, or 4 of your favorite animals, or 4 of your favorite things to play with. I'm going to do the 4 seasons. So I'm going to start by decorating my cover. So I'm going to write my title on my book. I'm going to put 4 seasons. Don't forget to put your name so everybody knows that you are the author and illustrator of this book. Ta-da! Okay, now you need to decide what's going to go on each of your pages. This first one, I'm going to make winter. So I'm going to write winter at the top, and then you're going to decorate the background before you add in your pop-ups. I'm going to draw a mountain, or at least a hilltop, full of snow. And then on the pop-ups, I'm going to draw a picture of me riding down in the snow on a sled. I think I'll put that one here. And right here, I think I'm going to put a snowman. So now that I have my background, I'm going to take a blank piece of paper, and I'm going to draw my pictures. Now you want to make sure your picture is nice and small so that it fits on here. It shouldn't be too big so that it goes out on the side or underneath. So about a square inch is perfect size. So first I'll draw my snowman. And then right next to it, I'm going to draw a picture of me on a sled. All right, now that I've got my 2 pictures, I'm going to cut them out. Okay, now I'm going to glue those pictures onto these spots here, right there, and right here. You'll notice they are pretty small. I could have made them bigger if I wanted to, but this size works out good. So I'm going to take a little bit of my glue stick. So you'll notice there's a little line on each of these pop-ups. You want to make sure that you put the glue below that line. Ta-da! So let's see how that first page is. 4 Seasons by Mary Gallup. Winter! Now I'm going to put some words down here. I'm going to say, in the winter, I like to build snowmen and sled. All right, time for my next page. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these pages, and I'll show you my book when it's completely finished. And there's my book. So I'll read my book to you now. 4 Seasons by Mary Gallup. Winter! In the winter, I like to build snowmen and sled. Spring! In the spring, I like to smell the flowers. Summer! In the summer, I like to visit the sea. Fall! In the fall, I like to visit the pumpkin farm. Please show us your books. We would love to see what you made a book out of. Thanks for joining me.